In this topic, we will be showcasing various plots for Python 3. We will describe the dataset and proceed to plot them. Here are some of the plots that we will cover later. We will be using the iris dataset for plotting. The dataset consists of 50 quantitative values across 5 variables for 3 species of irises. Let's begin. Let's load the dataset. Since it does not contain any headers, we will create it. We create an empty data frame for each species of iris and populate it with the respective data. We briefly look at the third instance of the data frame, which belongs to Iris virginica. A violin plot combines a box plot and a kernel density plot to show the distribution shape of the data. Wider width indicates that a large number of individual data points fall on the given value. In this plot of sepal length by iris species, we added an inner box plot to display the median and the ranges. We now plot the violin plots for each attribute for all iris species. In the next example, we revisit the box plots. A strip plot is added to indicate the location of each data point. A boxen plot is an enhanced version of the box plot and is useful for large datasets. By including more quantiles, additional information about the shape of the distribution can be obtained. A point plot displays the estimation of the central tendency of the numerical data. The error bar in this example is set at 95% confidence interval. An empirical cumulative distribution function steps up 1/n for each of the n data points. We can visualize the magnitude of sizes using relplot. Here, the point sizes correspond to the length multiplied by width. A tree map is used to visualize hierarchical data using nested rectangles. The size of the rectangles corresponds to the count of data from each category. Bar plots of sepal length can be plotted in a 3-dimensional plane. Here, the sepal length measurements are plotted in the z-axis, iris species in the y-axis, and each observation in the x-axis. A cluster map represents a hierarchically clustered heap map, with colors representing each iris species on the left spine and the observation number on the right spine. The heap map provides a visualization of the range of measurements, blue representing the smallest value to red, which represents the largest value. From this, we can see that sepal length has higher measurements than petal width. In this topic, we have looked at various plots for data visualization. Each graph is unique in its own way and when used in the right combination, enables the analyst to present the key features of the dataset. This concludes our topic on the plotting of various graphs in Python 3. Thanks for watching.